Here's my quick review of the NapQueen memory foam mattress in a box. So first off, I was really impressed that this mattress truly does fit in a box. It made it really easy for me to bring it in from it getting delivered to my house. Here it is as I'm just taking it out of the box. As you can see, it's wrapped up in protective plastic through and through. There's no way this thing was going to get damaged in transit. It was really easy here to then just cut off this protective plastic and then roll it all out so it can expand into its true form. So the instructions say to let it sit for 48 hours so that it can expand all the way, but from the first minute I could hear it starting to inflate. And here it is after the full 48 hours. This is the 8-inch version. There is also a 12-inch version. Either way, this is an amazing mattress. Even from just one night of sleeping on here, you could totally feel the difference. I love that it's memory foam and it's got the charcoal and bamboo as well. There's this nice protective extra cover here, making it perfect. It really helps protect the mattress. Here's the memory foam feature. As you can see, press down and it really remembers where you were. I love this mattress. It is such an upgrade from what we had before. Super comfortable. I've already decided I'm going to be replacing all the mattresses in my house with this NapQueen one. I'd highly recommend this mattress if you're looking for something comfortable, luxurious, and super easy. It gets delivered to your door. Take it out of the box, set it up, and you're sure to have a great night's sleep.